Hi, I'm Terry Kimball and I'm here with the Chandler Chamber, and we are really excited to bring this brand new video series to you regarding answering all your questions regarding health insurance and healthcare plan options. Today I have with me Kevin Michaels with Michaels and Associates. Kevin, thank you so much for being here.
You're welcome.
So, if they're generating income for that sponsoring organization, how can they be competitive with those insurance programs?
They typically are not as competitive as they seem to be because of the layering of who gets paid in the organization. From the sponsoring organization has their portion of their income. You've got the third-party administrator who is going to charge fees that are built into the rates, and then of course you have brokers. All that is baked into the final rate, as well as the rates reflect underwriting. They do take a look at underwriting of the medical conditions of any group, whether it's a 2-person group or a 50-man group. They're going to add that medical back into the base rates, and that's going to be their starting rate. And it's not nearly as competitive as you might think it is.